Hi, you are watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh. Last month on July 23rd, while presenting Union Budget, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, she proposed to lower long-term capital gain tax, but she eliminated the indexation benefit. Now providing relief to the property owners, she has proposed an amendment in it. So we will know about this amendment and about the long-term capital gain tax, as well as about what is indexation benefit from CA Gagandeep Singh. Welcome, sir, to the Savera. So, what is this long-term capital gain and short-term capital gain? Please just brief about it for our viewers.
We have two types of capital gains. One are long-term, one are short-term. In the case of property, if you are talking about the real estate property, then if we keep the asset for more than 2 years or more, then it's long-term capital gain. And if we keep the asset for less than 2 years, then it is short-term capital gain. Indexation was only provided, it was allowed in the case of long-term capital gains. But recently, our finance minister, honorable finance minister, what she did was they had discouraged, or you can say they have negated the indexation. That was due to a reason they maybe want to simplify the tax, as they are saying, to simplify the tax system. So they proposed without indexation, the tax was reduced to 12.5% on the long-term capital gains. Earlier it was 20% after indexation.
So, how it will impact property owners? Like there was objections from many property owners and from builders regarding this. So, why they objected to it?
Actually, it was not clear. It depends upon the year of when they were buying the property. They had bought the property. That depends upon the year to year. In some cases, the indexation will be of valuable, or it will be a favorable position. But in some cases it may be that because the tax rate has reduced from 20 to 12.5%, in some cases the new regime will be benefited to the assessees.
So, like the tax has been reduced from 20% to 12%. But why there was objection? What does the indexation benefit?
Yes, one earlier it was they were cost inflated index. We were having index that had adjusted according to inflation. We were having the base rate of 100 in 2001-2. So we were having the base rate of 100, and then now in the current year it was 363. So if a person had bought a property in 2001 or before, because the base rate is 2001. So if a person has bought a property before 2001 or 2001, if the price of the property was 1 crore, so now after indexation it becomes 3.63 crores. Now if a person sells that property for 4 crores and the tax becomes 37 lakhs, and it's the capital gain, and tax at the rate of 20% becomes 7 lakhs 40,000. Had now what the new budget that was proposed, amendment was proposed on 23rd of July. In that case, if the property is for 1 crore and he sold for 4 crore, the capital gain is 3 crores because no indexation is available. So the tax is 12.5%. You can calculate, it becomes around 37.5 lakhs. So there is a huge difference. In these cases, it is a loss, but some cases it may be beneficial also. But yesterday, they have again amended the law. Now they have given an option, but they have grandfathering option has been given. What is grandfathering? Grandfathering is when new clause is added, some persons are relieved from that clause. That is grandfathering. So what they have done is, a person can now calculate by both of the tax rates, at indexation, that is 20%, and without indexation at the 12.5%. Now he can opt for any of the schemes. This is yesterday they have done, and it will be posted in the parliament today or day after tomorrow or today. So now the benefit of grandfathering has been given. Earlier, it was also given in the shares. They have given the base rate of 31st January 2018. Earlier, in shares, the same position is also already there. But now, yesterday, they have proposed an amendment that you can opt for any one of them.
But the property should be sold before 2021, or what is that?
No, not said. The property should be purchased before 23rd of July. That's the date. The property should be bought before 23rd of July 2024. Then you can avail this. Property bought after that, you can avail that. And if you have bought before them and now you sold that property, then you are eligible for that.
So, is there any other amendment also so far now?
No, they have proposed at the short-term capital gain on shares was increased from 15 to 20. That's the same. They haven't made any amendment.
So major now.
Major regarding this, and one regarding new scheme, the new regime that they have given now. Given an option, you can either opt the old scheme or new scheme. That is again at the option of the assessor.
So now there is a slight relief for the property.
Yes, certain relief for both of the person who wants to use the inflation index, and also person who wants to use old scheme of old regime of taxation. Both are beneficial.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
So he was CA Gagandeep Singh. According to him, on July 23rd, Nirmala Sitharaman, she has proposed an amendment by lowering long-term capital gain tax from 20% to 12.5%, but she eliminated indexation benefit in it. But it was objected by many property owners and residents. Now she has proposed another amendment. She has given an option to the property owners that those who have bought property before July 23rd, they had an option that they can either opt for 12.5% without indexation, or they can opt for 20% of long-term capital gain tax with indexation. You are watching The Savera. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.